In this tutorial we will see how to install the Nautilus Wallet extension and create a wallet. The first thing to do is to enter the following link. There we will go to download the zip file. Unzip the file. We go to extensions in our browser. We are going to load decompressed. We choose the folder we just downloaded and click on select. Immediately we see how the extension appears. We fix the extension to have it at hand. We read, and if we agree we accept the KYA. Here we can create a wallet, restore one or load the read-only wallet. Let's create a new wallet. We must write a name and it will give us a sentence of 15 words that we must write in a safe place. It is advisable to do it on paper and not to take a screenshot. We type a spending password, confirm that we have typed the words in a safe place and click confirm. We have already created our Nautilus wallet.